Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to calibrate your DJI Spark gimbal. This easy guide will help you achieve smooth, stable footage by correcting any minor alignment issues. Before we begin, make sure your Spark drone is fully powered on and successfully connected to your mobile device via the DJI Go 4 application. This simple calibration can significantly improve your aerial videography, ensuring your shots are perfectly level and professional looking. Let's get started with the first step. To perform the in-app gimbal calibration, first open the DJI Go 4 application on your mobile device. Once inside, enter the camera view. Look for the three dots in the upper right corner of your screen and tap them to access the settings menu. From there, select Gimbal Settings and then tap on Gimbal Auto Calibration. Follow any on-screen prompts to initiate and complete this quick, automatic adjustment. It's a straightforward process that takes only a few moments. Beyond the gimbal, performing an IMU calibration is also vital for your Spark's overall stability and camera performance. The Inertial Measurement Unit, or IMU, helps your drone understand its orientation. To begin, find a perfectly flat and level surface, like a countertop, and place your Spark firmly upon it. In the DJI Go 4 app, navigate to the main controller settings, then Advanced Settings, and finally Sensors to find the Calibrate IMU option. Once you select Calibrate IMU, the app will guide you through a series of steps, prompting you to place your Spark in various orientations. Carefully follow these on-screen instructions for each position. After the calibration is complete, it is essential to restart your DJI Spark to ensure all the new settings are properly applied. Remember to calibrate your IMU after any minor crash, or if you notice your drone drifting or flying unusually, to maintain optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.